This video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new project on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So a project is one of the best way to keep your work organized that is related. This is very different from just normal charts. So to do this, first go ahead and log into your Claude AI. As you can see, I'm logged in. However, if you are not, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, now go and open the sidebar to expand, and you can see we have an option for projects. If you tap on this, we have an option here. You can either search for a project if you already have an existing one. As you can see, I already have one. But if you're just starting, you can go ahead and create a new project by tapping on new project here. From here, go ahead and give your project a name. I'll go ahead and give mine. For instance, this is data entry. Then explain or state what you are trying to achieve. In my case, I just want to generate more leads like that. And once you're done, now go ahead and tap on create project. By just tapping on that, now your project will have been created. You can see here the title of your project name. You can now go ahead and start generating content for this project from here. You can also go ahead and add files. If you so wish, you can add files here. You can as well make some changes or edit your instructions from here. You are told here, start a chat to keep conversation organized and reuse project knowledge. So that's how you can create a new project on Claude. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.